Shortcut keys. Control plus A, select all. Control plus B, bold. Control plus C, copy. Control plus D, font. Control plus E, center alignment. Control plus F, find. Control plus G, go to. Control plus H, replace. Control plus I, italicize. Control plus J, justify. Control plus K, hyperlink. Control plus L, left alignment. Control plus M, paragraph indent. Control plus N, new. Control plus O, open. Control plus P, print. Control plus Q, reset paragraph. Control plus R, right alignment. Control plus S, save. Control plus T, hanging indent. Control plus U, underline. Control plus V, paste. Control plus W, close window. Control plus X, cut. Control plus Y, redo. Control plus Z, undo.